Hello students, I have created this video so that you can learn maths in an easier and interesting way. The first thing about which I'm going to tell you is how to subtract. Subtract means taking out some small numbers from the bigger ones. So you can see the sign of subtraction, it's a simple bar. So we are going to learn today how to subtract smaller numbers from the bigger ones. Students of grade 4 and 5 can easily subtract by making horizontal and vertical sums. But the problem comes for children of grade 1 and 2. They cannot subtract directly. So, making subtraction more interesting for them includes a lot of hard work, which I'm going to show you in the next slide. Over here, the sum is 4 minus 2. Now, you can ask your toddlers to draw 4 stars or any other shape which is interesting for them. So, first of all, they are going to draw 4 stars. After that, ask them to cut 2 of them. Put a line on those stars which are cut so it's clear for them which one are cut and which one are uncut. After that, ask them to count the stars which are uncut. The stars which are not cut are the answer to this question. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Let's work on another example. Over here I have drawn 5 blocks because the question was 5 minus 3. So ask your children to draw 5 blocks or any other shape they want and ask them to cut 3 of them. After cutting 3 of them, the blocks which are left will be the answer to this question. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. This shows an example of subtracting two numbers vertically. Remember that the larger number should be written on the top line and the smaller number should be written underneath with a negative or a sign of subtraction on the left hand side. The sum is 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. You can also ask your child to do this sum on his fingers. Ask him to open 5 fingers of one hand and close 2 of them. The remaining fingers will be the answer to this question. You can also ask your child to draw lines on the paper. Draw 5 lines, cut 2 of them. The left lines, the uncut lines will be the answer. Here's another sum of subtracting vertically. The sum is 8 minus 2. So you can open 8 fingers on your hand. You have to use both the hands in this case. And then you can just close 2 fingers. The answer you get is 6. 6 will be the fingers that are going to be left after closing 2 fingers. You can also take a piece of paper, draw some 8 shapes on it, 8 butterflies, 8 squares, and then you can cut 2 of them and the remaining squares or the remaining pictures will be the answer to the question. So 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Now I have attached a little worksheet that has 4 questions and I would like all of you to solve this worksheet and write the answers on the comments below. Let's see who scores the highest marks. All those maths lovers, you have to subscribe my channel for learning more maths. I will be posting more worksheets and we are going to solve them together. Except from maths, I'm also going to teach you about different subjects. So you can always comment below to tell me what other videos or what other subjects you want to learn. Thank you.